हेलो एंड वेलकम टू क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट। मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर और मेरे साथ है साहिल मल्होत्रा। एंड साहिल, वी आर एंटरिंग अ न्यू एरा अंडर गौतम गंभीर एंड T20 सीरीज स्टार्ट होने जा रही है अगेंस्ट श्रीलंका, जिसके नए कप्तान हैं सूर्य कुमार यादव। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट डू यू मेक ऑफ दिस?
I think, as you rightly mentioned, Soumya, start of a new era for sure. New coach, new captain, new mix of players. Three giants stepping away from the format: Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, and Ravindra Jadeja. Of course, there'll be big shoes to fill. Not just for the players who are moving on, but also for the captain who's moving on.
Yeah.
For the coaches who are moving on. So all in all, it's a very exciting period ahead for the Indian cricket team, but could well be challenging too, because we have seen that this is a champion side which this new setup is going to take over.
Yeah.
Whether it's Gautam Gambhir, whether it's Surya Kumar Yadav as captain, so the pressure will be there, but it promises to be a ride filled with lots of ups and downs.
We have seen Hardik leading the side when Rohit hasn't been there in the T20 format, right? So did this come to you as a surprise, Surya taking over as a skipper and Hardik, Gauti has given his own reasons, but do you, see this coming as a surprise for you?
If you would have asked this question to me before the press conference of Ajit Agarkar and Gautam Gambhir, I would have said definitely yes. But the reasoning which came from both the coach and the chairman of men's selection committee, I think they made a very, very valid point. They just want the skipper to be out of the path.
Yeah.
And whether Hardik Pandya taking a break from the ODIs due to personal reason acted as that final trigger. Yes, Ajit said that the discussions were very much on. They had those discussions even during the build-up to the World Cup, even during the World Cup. So there has been constant chatter when it comes to T20 captains, because they knew that Rohit, Virat and Jadeja Rohit and Virat probably are going to step away, and Rohit will no longer be the T20 captain. So the first and foremost thing on their mind would have been T20 captaincy.
Yeah.
So when you are talking about Hardik Pandya, yes, it was a no-brainer कि यही captain बनेगा यार. But for them, the captain has to be out on the path. They just can't afford a situation where you are having stopgap arrangements. You are doing that filling job. So I think that's where Hardik lost out in that race to captaincy, which he was almost near the finish line, but so close yet so far for him. And for now, it seems that they're going to manage Hardik the all-rounder the right way, and he can well kiss his captaincy ambitions goodbye, at least for now.
Yeah, but that brings me to a very important point here. कि क्या सूर्य कुमार यादव किसी और फॉर्मेट में हमें नहीं दिखने वाले हैं कुछ टाइम के लिए, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाई ही इज बीन गिवन द कैप्टेंसी दैट ही विल बी देयर फॉर द T20 फॉर्मेट, लेकिन अदर से उनको थोड़ा ब्रेक मिलने वाला है.
I think आप सही हैं. Your assessment in that front, just keeping the cricketing logic in mind, is absolutely correct, because Ajit made it clear that there was, at this point in time, Surya wasn't considered for ODI. So it wasn't a diplomatic or a politically correct answer. He spelt it out there for everyone ki boss, we are not considering him for ODIs, at least for this series. Why they are not considering, I think the question is, the answer lies in the question itself. If आप एक बार team sheet देखेंगे तो you have KL Rahul, you have Shreyas Iyer, you have Rishabh Pant in the middle order. You'll probably have Hardik Pandya the moment he kind of makes himself available for the format. So the middle order is kind of packed. And when it comes to tests, I think the bigger problem is test का middle order, क्योंकि England series के अंदर we saw the likes of Devdutt Padikkal, Sarfaraz Khan make their debut, Dhruv Jurel make his debut. But now when Virat Kohli, KL Rahul, Rishabh Pant, all these guys, become available. So problem वहाँ पर भी होने वाला है, problem of plenty. So plenty के अंदर मुझे सूर्या अभी at least in ODIs and tests, I don't see that playing 11 role for him. So probably, with India set to play so many T20 games before the 2026 World Cup, where we will enter as the defending champions, and it will be played on our home soil. India and Sri Lanka are the co-hosts. So a big pressure of that World Cup, a home World Cup always brings a lot of pressure. So I think good decision on that front कि कैप्टन को साइड कर दो, ये T20 में फोकस करेगा. आपका नंबर ऑन T20 बैटर है, इस फॉर्मेट के अंदर तो आप उसकी क्रेडेंशियल्स क्वेश्चन कर नहीं सकते. कैप्टनसी पे एक दाव खेला है. He has led Mumbai in the past. He has had captaincy experience in the past. Leadership group का पार्ट रहा है, KKR हो, मुंबई हो. But यहाँ उसको एक big vote of confidence दिया है, and I hope he brings his experience to the table, because he always has the right amount of experience behind him backing. Whether it's Rohit, Rohit has been around, will be around in ODIs and tests. Rahul Dravid has been around. Now Gautam Gambhir will be taking over. Gambhir enjoys working with Surya. Has been a big fan and advocate of his style of play and cricket, and a person as a cricketer. So all these things will help Surya. It's going to be a challenging phase for sure. How it turns up is, anybody's guess right now.
बट लास्टली साहिल, कुछ बहुत बोल्ड डिसीजंस ली, और बोल्ड नहीं, थोड़े डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ डिसीजंस लिए हैं, आई वुड पुट इट दैट वे, कि गौतम गंभीर के आने के बाद कई डिफरेंट डिसीजंस हुए हैं, बिग शूज टू फिल, तो कहीं ना कहीं प्रेशर भी होगा सूर्या पे भी, गौती पे भी, बिकॉज और इज इट अबाउट कि यार ठीक है 6 ही T20 आए हैं एंड देन वील सॉर्ट आउट थिंग्स, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड कप में भी 2 साल हैं, टीम में बहुत चेंजेस हो सकते हैं 2 साल में, तो कहीं ना कहीं लेट अस जस्ट फोकस ऑन द बिगर पिक्चर विच इज द WTC फाइनल एंड द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी, और डू यू थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ बिट ऑफ अ प्रेशर ऑन Surya and Gauti in the T20 eyes?
See, had they continued with the setup which was already in place, say Hardik captaining the side, most of the calls which we were expecting to be taken, had they been taken, इतना scrutiny या इतना closely लोग नहीं देखते. अभी आपने order shake up करा है, so you will be under the watch, you will be closely monitored through the lens, and every action will be scrutinized, and that's how it goes in cricket. You wanted to shake up order which was put in place, which you didn't think would have worked for India, so now the onus is on you to deliver with those performances which are required. The expectations are really high now. You are the world champions now, right? In the last 2 World Cups you just lost one game, that was against Australia in Ahmedabad on November 19th, so there are big shoes to fill, as Gambhir himself said in that pre-departure press conference which was held in Mumbai when the team left for Sri Lanka. So big shoes to fill for sure, and जितना आपने थोड़ा उथल-पुथल किया है उसका प्रेशर आप पे फॉर श्योर होगा, एंड कैसे सूर्या वो प्रेशर लेते हैं, whether his batting is affected by it, I think we'll come to know in these 3 games, because 3 games के अंदर आपको अंदाजा लग जाता है एक प्लेयर के कंडक्ट का, how he's going about, how he's dealing with the pressure of captaincy, because captaining the Indian side is a different beast.
True. Well, rightly put, Sahil, बिल्कुल ये प्रेशर रहेगा गौती पे भी, सूर्य पे भी, बट वी जस्ट होप द बैटन फॉलोज. यही जो हमने एक पॉजिटिविटी मिली है हमें T20 वर्ल्ड कप के बाद, वो मिलती रहे, एंड वी just get positive results. Well, thank you so much, Sahil, for your insights. We'll get back to you again for different stories, for different insights from Indian cricket and from the world cricket. अभी के लिए शुक्रिया, और आप ऐसे वीडियोस के लिए करते रहिए हमें फॉलो Instagram, Facebook और Twitter पे, और हमारे क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब
क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.